Hey guys, Minecraft 1.19.2 Java Valhelsia 5.0.1.2 beta. Looking at Pneumatic Craft. Oh, I've forgotten the version again. Mod one tutorial 4.1.3-15. Okay, where do we start? We need the mod's basic building material, which is compressed iron. We get that in a strange way. Blowing up some iron ingots. So, excuse me. It's very late at night, and because I'm gonna wake everyone up. But well, you lose 20%, roughly 20%. So you're gonna need quite a bit. Yeah. Our compressed iron, initial compressed iron. Once you set up your initial system, you can. That's such dramatic. There. All right. Okay. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need for our basic system. We're gonna need a safety tube module. Oh, sorry, I forgot to craft all these things that we're gonna need. You're gonna need all these things here. Lots of stone, levers, redstone dust, gold, a fair amount, a hopper, 2 furnaces, some glass, lots of reinforced stone, lots of reinforced bricks, and quite a bit of pressure tube. All of which you should be able to get pretty easily now that you can get compressed iron. So what are we going to make with our compressed iron? We're going to make a safety tube module, 2 pressure gauge tube modules, 9 pressure tubes, 2 air compressors, 22 pressure chamber walls, 2 pressure chamber interfaces, and a pressure chamber valve. And we're going to need 5 redstone repeaters, 2 redstone comparators, 7 redstone dust, 2 redstone torches, 4 cobblestone, 2 levers, 2 chests, 2 Nixie tubes, 2 analog levers, and 6 ultimate logical transporters. Those last couple, the Nixie tubes, analog lever, and logical transporter could be traded in with whatever you prefer for item transport and redstone control. But I like create a mechanism for these things, so that's what we'll be using. So let's go ahead and grab this stuff. Okay. Right. Now I have to remember how to build it. This is what we're going to build right here. It's my engine 101, system 101 for PneumaticCraft. We'll be building our compressors up in a system here and control them to make sure that we have regulated pressure for our connected equipment. Right. Let's rock. Okay. First thing we're going to do is not place these things. The tubes. So a couple of pressure tubes. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay, let me. Some of the things we're actually going to be using. I should have put this on survival mode so that you can see me using the parts. But I'm not going to do that right now. But yes, we'll be able to count them anyway. So 1, 2 tubes. 4 more of those. We've used this guy. This guy. Okay. There it is. One here on our safety gauges. Is yeah. Yeah. 2 here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Now we need our cobblestone. In here. Place. No, that's correct. Okay, so our 4 cobblestone. 2 redstone torches. Go here. 7 redstone dust. It's 2. We need we're gonna need, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I can't count. In any case, this is how many we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Oh dear. Sorry about that. We need 9. 9. Apologies. Okay, 2 levers. Yeah. And tubes. Side out analog levers. So right, now it's time to put the compressors in, but we've got to make sure we turn the system off first. So let's activate our safety switches here to say do not operate under any circumstances. Put our compressors in. Now we're only going to use 2, but I've allowed for 3. Oh, that's probably why I've got the different counts on the, yes, of course, because I didn't, so, yes, yes, we only need the 2 compressors at the moment. This is the supplementary drive, this is the main drive for maintaining our pressure. We'll come up to a level and be driving the supplementary to get to that point, and then maintaining the next step between our expected or desired maximum and the mid-level with the main compressor. This is to ensure that we have full control over the pressure. It can get completely out of control and blow up on you very quickly. So we want to make sure that we're controlling the pressure rate very carefully. The air compressors keep running so long as they're hot and burning fuel. They take one item of fuel and they burn it to completion and produce air for that entire period, even if they're set to turn off on a signal. So it's very difficult to control the air pressure precisely. You end up with a range. In any case, let's talk about that now. We need to set our compressors to activate on high signal. Only activate on a high signal. I like that sort of thing. To say on is go, because then when things are off, they're not running. Anyway, we're almost done, as far as I can tell. We need our fuel system now, which is our chest and our water. Chest. Place the transporters. B. Oh, stuck. 5, 6. And we need our configurator, of course, to change this. There we have it. And we're not quite ready to run. If we run this now, we'll end up with air leaking out. Not ready to maintain pressure yet. So what are we going to do with our pressure? We're going to build a pressure chamber. So let's go. Oh, that's the other. Oh, I was going to just run just back on itself and close the loop. But let's go ahead and so there might be a slightly different number count of pressure tubes here. Well, this is getting out of program now, but should be okay. We only need 3 here. This is probably a little close. Let's use the full 4 and go out. It's a bit better. So we'll need it like this. And now add and build our pressure chamber. We need a pressure chamber to craft a lot of the materials, the items we'll need. Oh, I better put this in first. I have to make sure this is facing the right way. This is the correct way. We want the input on this side. Our last. Oh, we need. Excuse me. I need to put the 12 in. Very good. I didn't pick up the glass. Oh. Oops, I didn't pick up the pressure chamber glass. And there we have it. We have a pressure chamber. Now, like I said, it was I only gave parts for this thing for the engine. I didn't give and this I haven't given for supplementary bits. So getting in and items in and out. Now up to you, but I'll show you. Oh, we have 2 outputs instead of 1 input. There we go, that's better. Oh, luckily it's a bit tolerant of us breaking it like that. Okay, and so oh, that's a mechanical pipe. What's going on there? Copper on this side. Just yeah. Now let's try running this machine and see what we get. We're going to have to set our cutoff values. These analog levers. Safety gauges output a redstone for each a standard version of them in every half a bar. So the total pressure is 2 times the redstone. So we're going to want, just to begin with, just a little bit of pressure. So we're going to say 2, run our supplemental until it gets to 1 bar. We're going to try to get to 2 bars. But that means we're going to say only 3 here, which is 1.5. But we'll go over. So we should expect to go over a little. So we'll set it to 1.5. Some fuel. Excuse me, I do actually have some of this prepared in advance, but this will do. And moment of truth. We turn it on our machine. Release the safety switches. This is a running pressure. It's rising. Fourth bar. Now you notice that the pressure is, there's a differential, so the pressure down here is slightly less than the pressure up here. Placement of these things is the highest will be up here, so safety there. Waiting for it to get 1 bar, and then this comparator will, this comparator will trigger fuel. See, it's only just started burning the fuel, so it's going to burn it all, and we're going to go over in with. There we are. So it says turn off our supplemental now. We don't need it. It's still running, of course. Just have to wait to get to 1.5 bar for our main compressor to turn off. There. It's fuel. Excuse me. it's going to get to more like 2.5, 3 bar. It said turn off. Almost out. It's out. So we're just over our expected limit. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. In fact, this is wonderful. Within 1 bar, so it's great. This one stopped, and this one stopped too. And we're at just over 2 bar here, just over 2 bar here. Excellent. So what will we make? We'll make some more compressed iron. See how it performs. When we make the compressed iron, it's going to use it's going to use some of the air pressure, opening the door and processing the item. Just put 16 in to begin with. See them go in. Now the pressure is dropping rapidly. Look. It's okay. Let's see what's waiting for. It says it's exporting, but it takes some pressure to build up. So this may not actually work. We may need to put it on 2. So we're just the maximum 2.5. It's 2 bar. It should eject it. There it is. Compressed iron. Oh, it's dropped again. Oh, it's processed it all. There it is. Now, I'll use the pressure chamber for a lot of other things in an upcoming video. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.